Yeah, the doctor was explaining, like, this feels like, well, it feels like a tumor. It feels like a rock under my skin. And, like, here's my kneecap, and here's, like, a giant rock. And then I have a small, there's a couple of them. And he was saying that it's like scar tissue or something, but he was saying that was underneath, like, my knee, and that was what was causing the damage. And by sucking it out sideways, it moves it out to the side. Like, if I pinch somewhere else, it's just skin. But yeah, you can tell there's like a rock under there, and he just sucks it out, and now the knee is should be okay.
那个很肿哦。
And the thing is if I'd gone to a regular hospital, they don't know how to do any of this. They literally don't know how. And it's so stupid because I have friends that don't believe in any alternative medicine. They're like, alternative means fake. So they're just saying alternative medicine equals fake medicine. It's not fake. The doctors at a Western hospital don't know about this equipment. They don't know how to use it. They've never been trained. They never studied it. So if you go to a Western hospital, what are they going to do? They're going to give you an operation. They're going to cut open your knee, take your kneecap out, clean the stuff underneath it, and then put on a metal kneecap. But you don't need to do surgery. You just got to go to one of these guys and pull the crap out. Oh! Hi guys! Oh!
你有拍到吗？
Yo, no. Ah. Oh. Ah. Ah. Ah.
哦。哈哈哈。